In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix show desktop icon is missing in Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now the case is when you navigate here beside the clock in this area, the moment you locate your cursor here, you won't be able to see the show desktop icon. And in order to fix such problem, all you need to do is you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option, and please locate with the option called personalization. So please click on it, and eventually here at the personalization settings, you need to scroll down, and please proceed with the option called taskbar. So click on this one. And here at the taskbar settings, you need to navigate with the taskbar behaviors, which contains the taskbar alignment, the badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. So click on this down arrow key, and you need to scroll down here. And from that, you need to navigate with the select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. So here, this option is very crucial because in order to enable the show desktop icon in your taskbar, you need to make sure that the box here is checked. And once you have ensured that the box here is checked, try to close the window, navigate here in this area beside the clock, and there you can see the show desktop here in your Windows 11 taskbar. Okay, now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.